Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Hope you're all doing great. It is super early still this morning. I feel exhausted, but I also feel very good for getting up at the time that I did. So I woke up at like 5:30. Haven't had to do the school run this morning. It is a Monday. The boys are at their dad's, so I will pick them up from school later because he does the school run this morning. But I woke up at 5:30, thought might as well get up now, and it's so nice and light, and this the sun today is just beautiful. It's a gorgeous day, getting me really excited for warmer weather. So now it's like 8 o'clock or something, and it just feels like I've already had like quite a long day of being quite productive. So I will probably want a nap because I didn't actually sleep that well last night, but I'll probably fall asleep at like dinner time. Today's video is actually going to be a really fun one. My sister is going to come round today and we're going to do our nails together. So I am working with DOONAILS, who have very kindly sponsored today's video. If you've watched my videos for a while, you would probably have heard me or noticed that I am a nail biter, and I talk about it quite a lot, that it's an issue for me that I bite my nails quite a lot. I'm not a big fan of going to get my nails done because I'm quite self-conscious of them. They are very short and it's just something that I find quite difficult to stop doing. It's like an anxiety thing, I think. I do it without even realising. And sometimes I'll grow them and then I'll bite them again, and it's just like a bit of a cycle. But I really do enjoy having nice nails, especially for a night out, and I do a lot of like reels and things and close-up things with my hands where I think, oh, I should really just have nice nails all the time. I am a big fan of press-on nails, and DOONAILS do so many gorgeous ones. I don't know which ones I'm going to go for today. I got them all in various sizes as well, which I love because I personally struggle day to day. Like on a night out, I like a long nail, but day to day I struggle a little bit because I'm just not used to long nails. So I love that they have the option to get short ones. They come in 15 different sizes as well, which is also really good for me because my fingers are tiny and my nail bed and everything is tiny, so I always need a good variation of sizes. And yeah, they are a soft gel press on, so they should feel really comfortable on the nail, look really natural and be really robust and long lasting. So yeah, me and my sister are going to do our nails together. It'll be nice actually because she's not been in a video for ages, like ages and ages. So yeah, I'm looking forward to having a little catch up, doing our nails together, having a cup of tea and a gossip. So these are some of the ones that I have chosen. So they do various sizes, various shapes. We've got these which are much longer, coffin shaped ones, and then just some like shorter round ones, square ones, all the different kinds of shapes that you can get in nails. I also have the glue, I've got some nail and cuticle oil, and then I've got this glass nail vial. They also come with the adhesive stickers, which last approximately 5 to 7 days, and you can use them multiple times, or you can use the nail glue, which lasts around 2 weeks.
There's a brew.
Right.
Have you got the cat one? Is it in there?
It's all in there. Put tea bags in. I've got the teapot out and everything, which I never do. Hi everyone. hey. We have got tea and saucers and everything. Right, and cakes.
Oh, let me look at that spoon.
I know I got them from
I haven't seen that.
I've got a pack. It's a pack of 4 little heart spoons.
A little heart.
Yeah, I like
That's
them.
so cute.
I do the saucer as well. I put 2 tea bags in here, so I don't know.
Nice. I like it strong.
Right.
Oh gosh.
So these are the nails
I need to have a look at
to
these.
choose from. You can either use the glue or there's tapes.
I can't remember the last time I did stick-on nails. This is totally new for me, so
I'm gonna go for a shorter nail. Sorry, do you want mine?
That's alright. Just make it a bit weak. Let's take a little peach, it's like a little bottom.
It's cute, isn't it?
Okay.
I think I'm gonna go for these ones because they're a little bit shorter and I can't cope with.
You've got shorter nail beds than me, haven't
I've got
you?
such tiny little nails.
Right, what should I go for?
Do you want longer ones or?
Probably the darker ones for me.
Each one comes with some spare nails, cleansing pads, the stickers, I'm not going to use the stickers because I want mine to last longer. I think I'm going to want them on for...
So you can either do stickers,
or
you can do
which
glue.
will last about a week, or you can do the glue which will last a couple of weeks.
Right.
And then it comes with the little cuticle stick as well.
There's a good selection of sizes there, isn't there?
Yeah.
Ah, yes. Spare ones. Oh no. So both my thumbs look like toes.
Can I show your toe thumbs?
This one broke. I know it's a bit embarrassing, really.
A lot of people have toe thumbs, George.
Well, yeah, they're not
That
great.
one's very toey, isn't it?
Okay, go on. We're going to transform it. It's going to look beautiful.
Wide ones.
Right, see, that's going to fit on my toe thumb.
Beautiful.
But yeah, that's really important for me. Those wide ones for the thumbs. Don't forget your brew. This isn't strong enough for me.
Put another bag in. No, it's a bit weak. Step 1 is file the natural nail. Push back the cuticle, remove invisible cuticle at the base of the nail and roughen the nail surface. Look at this. Glass one. Oh, fancy. I wish I didn't bite mine.
Mine break. That's my only issue with them. At work and stuff, they just snap. I don't know whether having eczema affects them. Sometimes they get a bit brittle. Is this a file?
Yeah, that's the file.
Oh god, I've never seen a glass one. You're supposed to just go one way, aren't you?
You're supposed to roughen up the surfaces of your nails.
Right.
Clean the nail with the cleaning pad. Ooh, that shines a lot.
I really like this nail file.
Right, there's our glue.
Oh, it's dead nice. Just look how nice.
It's nice sound. ASMR.
Oh, there's no.
Yeah.
You know, like with bits with the like of the sandpaper emery board. This is joyous. This is lovely. Right, so I've roughed them up. I've filed them. I've got my nails organised. I'm cleaning them. Oh, I never have nice nails. Right, clean. Yes. Filed. Yes. Generously apply nail glue to the adhesive surface of the press-on nail and apply a thin layer of nail glue to the natural nail and then attach them at 45 degrees and lower it with some pressure. Sounds good? Alright, let's do it.
I'm still organising mine. You're ahead of me. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4.
And they stick straight away. Just like boom, on. That's quite strong glue, isn't it? It's just boom. Just on. Okay, number 1.
They look lovely. Ooh, nice.
I wonder how much they'll grow underneath.
I know. That's what I'm hoping. If I do have false nails on, I don't bite them then, obviously. Yeah,
You can't tell that they're on really, can you? They're not pinching or anything.
Mine are a nice length for me.
Yeah.
I think you must be the only person in the world that's not heard that Beyonce song. This is somebody that doesn't have social media, so it isn't hearing literally every video stuck in my head constantly where you just scroll and hear.
No.
This ain't Texas.
I don't tend to.
Texas, that's all it is.
I don't need to hear it, I hear you sing it all the
No,
time.
hold on, that's the only bit I know.
I don't tend to put the pop songs radio on anyway.
I like when I've got nice nails because then I feel like I can put, I put rings and stuff on, more than I would do normally.
Do you?
Yeah.
Do you not just put them on anyway?
Yeah.
Is that because you don't want to draw attention to your fingers?
Maybe. I just think that they don't,
You just wear gloves?
I think when I've got nice nails it makes me want to accessorise my fingers more.
Okay.
Well, they are comfy because I've
my
worn
jewellery.
false nails before that really feel like they're digging in, and these are nice that they are soft.
They are. That glue's really good as well.
That's another thing as well, because my nails are so short, they don't tend to last as long generally, so I hope that these ones last a bit longer because they'll ping off quicker with me having little nails, because there's less for them to
Like grip onto.
Yeah,
I can't tell I've got mine on so far.
no. Sometimes they get really sore around there, and that's what makes me irritated.
I think
with
it's
them.
the shape, isn't it? And if
You
they
can file them down a bit,
arched,
but if
they
they're
can pinch your nail, whereas these ones
the
are quite
plasticky ones, well these are obviously gel
soft
ones.
at the bottom.
Well, it's nice to do a little bit of self-care like this together, isn't it?
I never do mine.
I've got a discount code as well for everything. Whilst I remember, I've got 15% off everything on their site, so I'm going to leave the link for the website down below. So this is a little close-up of mine. Really nice because they're just like a natural, neutral style. A really good length as well, not too long. You've got gorgeous red ones. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to come back over the week and we'll see how they fare. But so far, very impressed.
To be honest, I can't tell that they're on.
No, so far so good. Okay, it has been, sorry you can hear Rudy having a big old drink of water in the background there. Very thirsty, aren't you? It's been over a week now since I first did my nails. I cannot tell you how impressed I have been with them. Like I said before, I wear fake nails quite a lot. They last me a couple of days normally before they start pinging off. These have been amazing. What I'm going to do though is change them up for these ones because I am going out tomorrow and the top that I want to wear is just going to go with the nail, matching the outfit to the nails. So I'm going to show you how to take off these nails. I've already taken off this hand. It's so easy. It comes with the oil to help take them off. But these are, obviously, they're still very much stuck on good. I'm going to save them as well so that I can wear these ones again. But yeah, I just really want to put the blue ones on. And I've got no damage or anything. They've been growing underneath. They don't feel thin or anything. They still feel perfectly fine. So I'm going to very quickly put these ones on. And then I'm going to show you the outfit that I plan to wear with them, just so you can see it all, the whole look together. But yeah, we just need to take these ones off and then reapply these ones, which I will again do with the glue. Okay, I've got everything set up. This is how you remove them. So I've got some warm water, which you add, I mean, you add different amounts depending if you've used the tapes or the glue. You add a bit more for the glue. I've got some of this oil in here. So you apply the oil to the nails, just around the edges. My sister's nails have held up really well as well, by the way. The only reason I want to change mine is just because I love changing up the colours. So I'm ready to change. And for this blue one, that's already coming off. I'll show you a better angle. So yeah, you just rub that oil into the edges and then let them soak. It says for about 10 minutes, but mine haven't needed that long. I'll come back when they're ready to start coming off. Okay, so that's been a few minutes now. I'm just going to see if they're, with the little wooden stick, just to see whether I can prise them off the edges of my nail. And as you can see, that is just coming off, no problem. Really simple, pain-free obviously as well. You can just get any excess glue that just might be on the front. It just comes off with the use of this little wooden tool. This oil feels really nice as well. Last one, and I'll just give them a little clean up and then apply the new ones. Okay, I've picked all my nails out. I'm going to just go through the process that I did before, that me and my sister did together, but I'll just do it much quicker. But so you can see close up how it's done.
It's the end of the weekend, but I still wanna turn up. Yeah, I still wanna turn up. All I want is to go again, but you ain't picking your phone up. Why you messing my head up? Any night, any day, let me take you away. All I need is just saying yeah, 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 yeah. Better nights, better days, when you're here with me, babe. Cause you're all that I crave, so I wonder, where are you? Don't hide away from me when I need you most. We got love guaranteed, and I have to know, say.
And there we go, new nails applied. So this is the outfit I'm thinking for when I go out tomorrow, which matches with the nails perfectly. I'm fake tanning and everything, so just imagine with a tan, not just pasty. This colour goes really well with the bag and the top, which were from River Island, and the pencil skirt was just from ASOS. So yeah, just thought I'd show you what I plan to wear and how I'm matching my nails to it. So yeah, there we go, guys. Thank you so much to DOONAILS for letting me try out these. Really impressed. Definitely recommend them. They also do like the dipping powders, nail art. Have a look on the website because they do lots of other things as well as the press-ons. But I will definitely be using these again. Really good, much less expensive as well than going and getting them done in the nail salon. So yeah, all of the details are down below, and also my code Carly15 will get you 15% off everything on the website. So go and click the link. And yeah, thank you again to DOONAILS, and I really hope you enjoyed today's video. A little bit different for me, but I've really enjoyed it. And yeah, come back again for my next one. Bye everyone.